In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bleed to a PDF before printing using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Adding bleed is an essential step in preparing your documents for professional printing. It ensures that your designs extend all the way to the edge of the paper, minimizing any risk of unwanted white borders. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you have your document open, pay attention to the left panel. There you'll find the All Tools tab. Click on it to expand a wide variety of tools that Adobe offers for document editing and preparation. Our next step is to utilize what Adobe calls print production. This feature is specifically designed to help you prepare files for printing, ensuring they meet the necessary specifications. So look through the options in the All Tools area until you find print production, and go ahead and select it. Within the print production tools, you will see an option called Add Printer Marks. This is the key feature we will be using to add bleed to your document. Click on Add Printer Marks and a set of options will appear for you. Now focus on the checkboxes provided on this menu. You will specifically want to check the box for bleed marks. Checking this box will automatically incorporate the bleed marks into your document, making it ready for professional printing processes that require these indicators. Next, take a look at the Style section on the same menu. Here you can choose your preferred style for the printer marks, as well as the line weight. These options allow you to customize the visual appearance of the bleed marks, though the default settings are typically suitable for most printing needs. Moving on, head over to the page range section. This section allows you to specify whether you want these printer marks applied to the entire document or just specific pages. You can select all to quickly apply the changes throughout the whole document, or manually choose individual pages if needed. Once you're satisfied with your settings and everything looks good to go, simply click on OK. This will save your settings and apply the bleed marks to your PDF. Your document is now configured with bleed and is ready for professional quality printing. To recap, we opened the PDF, navigated to print production, added the bleed marks, customized them if necessary, selected the page range, and confirmed our changes. It's a straightforward yet crucial task that ensures your printed documents look polished and professional. Remember, taking the time to add these small details can make a significant difference in the quality of your final product. Thank you for following along and happy printing.